Let's make an iced coffee for my fiance. Have a ton of ice. This is the Melozio coffee pod. I brewed this last night and then I stuck it in the fridge so it's nice and cold. So my plan was to make coffee at home for myself this morning as well, but I woke up early and couldn't sleep. So I was scrolling through my apps and I went to the Dunkin' app. Today is a free donut day with a coffee purchase or drink purchase. So that enticed me. So I'm gonna be going to Dunkin'. I'm also on my period, so I need a sweet treat. So Dunkin' it is today. More ice. Chobani sweet cream creamer. And the cold foam oat version cinnamon caramel. We're gonna do a taste test for him. Perfect, not too sweet. Looks beautiful. Cheers.